What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nerd Garage. Today I'm going to do a quick update on the roof rack for miles per gallon and wind noise before and after for the roof rack on the 25 Jetta. So the day after I put it on, I keep my gauges set at like a total trip estimation, so it tells you the miles per gallon, how long you've been driving, stuff like that. And from looking at my photos from the day after I put it on, I got 34.4 miles per gallon on the roof rack, and the wind noise was absolutely horrendous. Now, mind you, it's the stock OEM roof rack from Volkswagen, and they don't come with a fairing, so I found one called the Inno, I-N-N-O fairing on Amazon. I'll put the link below. It's a universal fairing, and I got the medium size, which is, I believe, 38 inches. So I put that on after the fact because the wind noise was absolutely horrible. So first, without the fairing, I got terrible wind noise and 34.4 miles per gallon, and I'll put that photo up here. And then I came home, I took it off because I really just didn't want to deal with the wind noise for the next couple shifts until I got the fairing, because of course it got lost. And then I took the whole roof rack off, and the estimation of miles per gallon went back up to 46.8 miles per gallon, and that's usually cruising between like 75 and 80 for an hour-long trip. So now that part is without the roof rack on the car, without the roof rack, without the fairing. After that, I put the roof rack back on, and I got a fairing, and the wind noise definitely got less. I tried to take a couple of videos. The DJI mic that I'm wearing won't even pick up the wind noise really. I tried it with my phone, took the Bluetooth off, took the CarPlay off, and it still would not record the audio for the roof rack wind noise. It significantly decreased once I put the fairing on. And after 40 minutes of driving, I took a picture, and I'll put it here, at the miles per gallon went back up to 37.2 miles per gallon. So now you've got the roof rack with wind noise, terrible gas mileage. No roof rack I just listed, the gas mileage went up. And then with the fairing, the wind noise went down, and the miles per gallon went down slightly, but it's really negligible at that point. Between no roof rack and roof rack with the fairing, it's like 5 miles per gallon roughly. So I'll put all those pictures up. I really do like the way the roof rack looks on the Jetta Sport. It's just, it adds that little extra flair, if you will, to the actual car. I got compliments on it, and I've only seen 3 25 Jettas on the road so far. No GLIs. I saw one basic SE. I saw an SEL, and I saw another SE. So I know there is a GLI around here. I haven't seen it in person yet, but yeah, starting to see them on the road a lot more, which is cool. But I like to be a little different, so I put the roof rack on, I put the fairing on, and then I made a custom Volkswagen Motorsport sticker for the fairing, and I slapped that on there, so it gives me a little bit extra to look a little bit different. The roof rack's gonna stay on there for the most part, pretty much all the time. I don't know if I'm gonna get a roof rack cargo box, or if I'm gonna get some surf pads for it and throw one of my surfboards like this one up there, but yeah, I thought I'd just come up here and give an update. So thanks for checking out the Nerd Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.